Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Red Crochet Tejido. Today I'm going to teach you how to do this beautiful design. I call them barefoot or pies descalzo. They're very easy to do. These are like a sandal for the beach, you know, to wear with barefoot for the beach or the pool. They are super easy to do. You can combine with any color of your swimming suit. They will make a really nice set. I hope you guys like it and give it a try. And here is the list of material you're going to need to make them. If you are not already a subscriber, please subscribe and click on the little bell. That way you get notification each time I upload a video. Remember, I make my videos in Spanish and English. If you receive a Spanish video and you want to see in English, go to the main page of my YouTube channel that you'll find the English version in there. Also, you can send me a message and I will send you the link. For this design, I'm going to use this leftover yarn. It's Prayton Grace, 100% mercerized cotton, light 3. It was a 50-gram ball. And the color is Aquifer. And the crochet hook is 3.5 millimeter. You're going to need tapestry needle and scissors. This is the design that I'm going to do. It's a barefoot sandal. It's super easy to do. And you can wear these on the beach, around the pool, home, even with a flip-flop. They look really, really nice, super easy to do. You can make these for any body in the house. If you want to make it smaller, what you do, you use a thinner yarn or a smaller crochet hook. And this chain space, you do less, and it will be a little bit smaller. But it's really nice. So we're going to start with this part in here. We're going to start with a slip knot. And a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This tail is a little bit too long. We don't can waste. But I always like to leave a tail, that way I can secure that really well. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to close the circumference by doing a slip stitch on the first chain. Now you're going to chain 3 plus 2 for separation. 1, 2, and 3. That is the double crochet, and 2 for separation, a total of 5. Now yarn over, and that circle you're going to do a double crochet. You're going to chain 2, yarn over, a double crochet, and like that you're going to continue until you have 6 of these chain 2 space. At the end you're going to finish with a slip stitch on the 3rd chain, and we're creating this in here. Now you're going to do a slip stitch in the first chain 2 space, and you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. In the same space you're going to do 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Now on top of this double crochet you're going to do a double crochet, and that's the repetition that you're going to do. 3 double crochet in the chain 2 space. 1, 2, and 3, and a double crochet on top of that double crochet. At the end, you're going to finish with 3 double crochet in this chain space and a double crochet on top of this double crochet and a slip stitch on the third chain. And that is your second row. Now we're going to work on the last row. It's this one. And in the same space, you're going to do a single crochet. This time I don't did any chain 1 to do the single crochet. That way it's not a bulky there. I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you want this with less chain space. You can do 4. You can do 3. It's the chain space is in here. If you want this smaller, you're gonna skip the next double crochet, go to the second one, and you're gonna do a single crochet. You're gonna chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're gonna do a yarn over. You're gonna skip the next double crochet and go to the second one, and you're gonna do 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. You're going to chain 11. You're creating this loop in here. Exactly that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Yarn over. In the same space, you're going to do 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Now you're going to skip 2 double crochet. So you're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're going to skip 2 double crochet, and then the next one is exactly straight from the double crochet here. You're going to do a single crochet. You're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're going to skip 1 double crochet, go to the next one, a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over. You're going to skip 2, 1 and 2, go to the third one, and you're going to do 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. You're going to chain 11 and then 3 double crochet and the same space, and I will meet you here. you're gonna chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're gonna skip 2 double crochet, go to the third one that is exactly straight from that double crochet from the lower row, and you're gonna do a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're gonna skip 1 double crochet, go to the next one, and you're gonna do a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over. You're gonna skip 1, 2 double crochet, go to the third one, and you're gonna do 3 double crochet, chain 11, 3 double crochet, and the same spot. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and you're gonna skip a double crochet, and if you look, your double crochet is right beside that one where you did all those double crochet. It's very close there, so you go to the next one, and you're gonna do a single crochet, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and you see you have 1 double crochet here, and you go to the one that you did the single crochet, do slip stitch, cut the yarn, loose the tail, and do 2 exactly the same, and they will look like this. Now we're gonna do the I-cord, and these are my super favorite I-cord. It's the easiest and the nicest and look really nice and round and more easy than this, don't get me. So for mine I did 121 chain on each, that way I have that length. This time I did count my chains because I needed to have all of them the same length. So I already record this little piece in Spanish. Let me undo this, that way I can show you. So what you're gonna do is your I-cord, they will be done in this one and this one. You'll have 4 space of chain 5 in the top and 3 in the side, 3 and 3. So this one is the top one. So you're gonna do a slip knot, and you're gonna come to one of these chain space, and you're gonna pass the loop, and you're gonna do a chain the length that you like. I like to wrap mine around a few times. So I used to do my strap and stuff just like this with a chain, and then they're too thin and don't have any definition, just they don't look as pleasant as the I-cord. I love the I-cord. It's the easiest and I love it. So let's say I have my 121 chain. So you go from the second one from the hook, that will be the 120 for me, and you're gonna do a slip stitch. And in order for the I-cord to be nice and round, you see, if you look at your chain, you have 3 strands, so you're gonna go and you leave in the lower part just 1 strand and 2 in the top. And you're gonna do your slip stitch. And like that, you'll continue doing your slip stitch all the way until the last one. So I'm gonna work on mine, and then when I go to the end, I will show you how you're gonna finish. You see how nice and round it look. So I showed you how you're gonna finish, that way it look like this at the end. I'm gonna work in the last chain, and I'm gonna do my slip stitch. And now I'm gonna go inside the chain 11, and I'm gonna do a slip stitch there. I'm gonna cut the yarn, pass that tail through, and then I will pass it to the back and loose the tails on the back, and then you're gonna end up with your piece like this, and you have to do 2 of them. I always grab these 2 tails, I do a knot, and then with the tapestry needle I pass it through the I-cord inside, a little bit up and then a little bit down, and then I cut the rest of the yarn, and it will look like this, nice and secure, and that don't gonna come undone. Well, this is the end result, and I absolutely love them, and is the same combination with this piece, with this design that I did already, and they look amazing together. So in my next trip to Cuba next month, I will be taking this with me to the beach. So I hope you guys like it and give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you are not already a subscriber and you make this beautiful design and you want to send me some picture. You can do it through my Facebook page, Ruby Net Crochet Tejido, or my Instagram, Ruby Net Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family. That way you help me grow here in YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.